Me and the girl that talk about collaboration. Yes, we talk about it more than one time. The reason why I never do the spans because my teeth clean and white and my teeth them real. And my mouth clean. And because of the man. The man walk and leg him out and talk some things about me when me ear back. Because remember dancehall music is a hypocrite place.
International recording dancehall artist Spice is giving her account of her current situation and why she has not recorded any song with the top international superstar Shenseea. Hi again and welcome. This is Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop, and we'll be right back with the details to come. If it's the first time you're watching, please do the golden rule and subscribe to the channel. Click that notification bell and click on all so you're always updated with the latest report. We'll be right back after the break with the details.
Welcome to Celebrity Scoop on Links 007 TV, bringing you the latest news, views, and trends on celebrities.
Welcome back and thanks for joining us for the program. This is Links 007 TV, Celebrity to the Scoop. Trust and hope that you're doing fine wherever you are watching this right now in the world. Much love and much respect goes out to you for continuing to support the movement of Links 007T to the V. So what I want to talk about today on the program is a situation involving dancehall recording artist Spice, and she's actually firing some shots at some real top players within our music industry. But before I get into the details of that, let me just talk about our music itself, our dancehall music and our reggae music that is unique to our country, Jamaica. When we look at what is going on with the current pandemic of the global coronavirus that has swept the world by storm, it's very sad to see that people are not up to this point united in the music. They are so divided. And this, I believe, is what is causing our music to fail on an international scale. We have seen a number of people cross over into the mainstream market. Such people include Sean Paul, Bob Marley, and Shaggy. A number of others have made strides towards that high level of anticipation that many would want to deem the top performer in our country. But when we look on the current situation that is going on, many artists are carrying feelings for other singers, and it's just a whole entire situation of the moral of the music itself. Can you believe how it would have been so much fun to see top artists collaborating with other artists to put music out there in order to reach the mass of the world? But I believe that we have a real situation within our music, and this is causing our music to be pushed aside on the international scale. But the music itself was very big back in the days when you'd have one individual and a number of other artists being portrayed on one rhythm, and that would have been one of the major success of our music. Now everyone just want to do their own thing. No one want to collaborate with each other. No one want to be a part of any songs involving others, and they have just segregated themselves within the music space based on certain situation in order for them to just gain that fame on their own. But we have seen Sean Paul made some major strides in his career. We have seen Shaggy made some massive strides in his career, especially on the international scale. Now you have dancehall recording artist Spice teaming up with Shaggy and Sean Paul to produce one mega hit song that has swept the world right now. Wine and Go Down There is doing very good. Now Spice is about to share what has been going on in her music career and what has led to her not contributing or collaborating with an upcoming artist and one that have created a name for herself within the music, and I'm talking about Shenseea. So let me go over to that video right now with Shenseea.
Me and the girl that talk about collaboration. Yes, we talk about it more than one time. The reason why I never do the spans because my teeth clean and white and my teeth them real. And my mouth clean. And because of the man. The man walk and leg him out and talk some things about me when me ear back. Because remember dancehall music is a hypocrite place. So the people them will stand up in your face and laugh with you, and then behind your back them have something else to say. So the people them care about the news come give me. So the man said this and the man said that and the man a bring me down and who better than me and who this and who that. So what you want to do song with me for then? So me just not go in that energy there because me say yeah build a little energy. And remember say me not have luck with people, not care what me do for them. So me just stay out of the energy, and that's why the song never end up get to do. Because we sit and we talk about the song and we all plan. The girl come with all good idea. And she said she have an idea and ray. And we did want to do the song and everything, but me never have no luck. I remember me did do one song with the wing one, you know, with the one we have the two big wing. And remember me do everything and pay me $250,000, $250,000 for do video, and them carry throw down the house by my neck, back nearly broke my neck. So me just stay out of the bad energy. Because I say I come with a little bad energy. When I have a thing when I come like say, when I come compare and compete. Me not depend on something that we do know. Let me tell you something. Let me make sure talk. Me never know if I start from the amount of things when I have built up in me sometimes. That's why I don't really come on live. I don't really talk. Me just enjoy myself and have fun with my fans them. Because you see when me ready for talk, me can't stop. Me just like get off of my chest. Me not do nothing. Me not do them nothing. Or maybe me should have say, me not do that man nothing. Because me never do nothing. Me and you was good, me and you was friend. The girl posts. Jada Kingdom post me and say, she look up to me because she watch me perform. The girl said she watch me perform and look how she bad now. Me I like back the girl. The girl give me my flowers and me I give her back her flowers. So me repost and say, big up Jada, you're the first girl to say, you watch me perform. Which way, you twist it because no found they take it up to and twist it too. You twist it and make it look like say, me I say, the girl first big me up. When that wasn't when me say, cause they on my foot, they on my arm, they on my page. So you can go back and look on it. Me never delete it. Me keep it there for a reason. The girl post me and say, I mean she watch perform, right? I'm going to post about the girl and give back her flowers. I say, big up yourself, look how you're bad now. And, you know, whatever the case may be. I can't wait talking sometime neither too, you know. I can plug in a phone before it dead. Because I'm not going to come back and talk about something 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, 6 times, 7 times. Every time when I get on my live, I ask me the same something over and over. Right. Alright, so the girl big me up, right? And the girl say, I mean she watch perform. I post about the girl and give her back her flowers and say, big up yourself, look how you can perform good now. And I say, you're the first girl to tell me, say, you watch me perform. Which one way, nobody else never tell me, say, them watch me perform yet. Me a whole heap of other female friend, maybe them could have performed already, or whatever the case may be, but the girl says, me, she watch perform. So I post her and say, big up yourself, you're the first girl will say, you watch me perform. Which nothing wrong with that. Mr. People start kill up, house, build up, and wall, chop up, and I want to tell you, say, fans and people. That's why you hear me say my fans are my bestie. People make me know, say, people are unfollow me and play with me. But the plot did a long time. Because I'm a long time, you walk and talk things about me. I'm here, I'm just humble myself. And sometimes I see you come and laughing at my face and I hug me up. I'm just humble myself, see me. I'm going to say, oh, you say this about me, oh, you say that about me. I'm not ask you nothing. I just take time, cut and go through. Because you don't realize that you have an army marching. And one time you see me one and God. You don't realize that I don't have nobody, I don't have no manager, I don't have no this. Me and VP and never friend. Me one and God take me look at time I chat and go through. And you still didn't have a problem with me. But the problem is you get rid of enough people and you get out enough people. But you know wonder you that wonder, oh, you can't get rid of me. Oh, you couldn't get rid of the black one. That was the problem, and that's why you just get up and hate me. So una do song with Jesus, una do song with 41, when name 21, whatever I'm Savage, when one name. Una have song come out with Drake. Una have all kind of something plan the album. All of the biggest of something them una have a come out on the album, but you still have a problem with me. No care the biggest of something where you get, you still have a problem with me. You want to tell me say you're so successful and you still have a problem with my success, then something wrong with you? Some really could have wrong with you. They want to tell me say God could have fall rain upon your house and you're so great. You do so great. You get so much blessing and you still have a problem with my blessing. That's the problem with Jamaican people. You don't realize success and it's spelled the same way. Your success and my success, it no matter. Success is success. Accomplishment is accomplishment. So let me talk about my mom because I don't like, you go on like so, I don't like me talk and people love beg me for not talk. My shoes is my shoes. Your shoes is your shoes. It do the same purpose. It cover our foot and make you walk anywhere. Car spell C-A-R. Your car could have more expensive than mine. Me still have a car. And
well, there you have it. That was dancer recording artist Spice giving her account of a current situation and some question that has been posed by fans over the years in which she would have wanted to have collaborated with the top name Shenseea within the music space, but due to some miscommunication within the management team of Shenseea, that did not pull through. But all I can say, I just want to see unity within the music, and it doesn't make any sense that people just try to segregate themselves from the music or just try to be at war with each other within the music. We have seen how collaboration have propelled names on the international scale, and I just want this to just be one of the moments in which we look back and where our music is coming from and where it has been over the years of development within our local music sector. We have seen a number of artists being segregated within the music and a number of them carrying feud between others within the music space. That is not good, and I really just want to see love, peace being portrayed right across the music space. But Spice gave her account of what really transpired, and I really can't blame Spice in this current situation because all the time it's best you just stay in your own lane and just do your thing. It doesn't make sense you're gonna be in a situation in which you're uncomfortable or you don't feel as if you're being justly treated, and this might be what Spice have felt when she was about to do the collaboration with Shenseea. You can just drop it in the comment section though. Let me know how you feel about this story, and do you believe that was the right move by Spice in order not to do the collaboration with Shenseea based on things that she have heard been said about her from the man behind Shensea's management career. So let's just go over to one of those moments right now and reflect on what Spice has been up to. So Spice song Go Down There has been trending on social media and even on the popular social media platform YouTube for some time. That song is a collaboration between Shaggy, Sean Paul and Spice, and that is doing very well. Like over 10 million views in just 4 weeks, and that is one of the songs out there now that is being pushed by Spice. You can just drop in the comment section though, let me know how you feel about this story, and thanks for watching. This has been Links 007 TV Celebrity Scoop. Peace out and bless, and much respect goes out to you, the viewers, for always supporting the movement of Links 007 TV. Have a blessed and productive day from the Links TV family.